Hi students, now I am going to teach 12th standard maths, chapter 5 two-dimensional analytical geometry, exercise 5.1, continuation of exercise 5.1. So last class we have discussed the different forms of equation of circles with the given points, how to form the circles. Today let us learn how to find out the equation of tangent and normal to the circles and how to identify the center and radius from the given equation. Here the question is, find the equation of tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0 at the point 2, 2. So first you can write the general form of a circle. General form of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Compare this with the given equation of circle. Given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 equal to 0. Compare the values of these two equations. We will get 2g equal to minus 6. Therefore, g is equal to minus 3. 2f equal to 6. Therefore, f is equal to 3. And c is equal to minus 8. Now, we have to find out the equation of tangent to the given circle. So, equation of tangent at x1 y1, equation of tangent at x1 y1 formula, when you are substituting, wherever we are having x square, you have to write x1. Only x is there means x plus x1 by 2. So the equation can be written as x1 plus y1 minus 6 into x plus x1 by 2 plus 6 into x y plus y1 by 2 minus 8 equal to 0. At the point, now equation of tangent at the point 2, 2, the given point, that is, this is nothing but x1 and y1. So x1 equal to 2. So 2x, y1 is also 2 plus 2y minus, when you are cancelling, here you will get 3, here also 3. So minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2 minus 8 equal to 0. That is 2x plus 2y minus 3x minus 6 plus 3y plus 6 minus 8 equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 you can cancel. 2x minus 6 minus x plus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. So the equation reduced in this form. So this can be rewritten. So first one always you can write as a positive value. So that is the equation of tangent. Required equation of tangent is x minus 5y plus 8 equal to 0. We can find out the equation of normal directly from this equation of tangent. That is, interchanging the coefficient of x and y, we will get the equation of normal. So you can write the equation of normal as equation of normal 5x, and we have to change the coefficient of y. 5x plus y plus one constant equal to 0. For this equation also, we have to consider the point, given point 2, 2. At the point 2, 2. So 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 plus k equal to 0. Therefore, the value of k is equal to minus 12. Therefore, equation of required equation normal. Equation of normal is 5x plus y minus 12 equal to 0. Likewise, you can find out the equation of tangent and normal. Now let us solve the next question. Here we have to Identify the center and radius from the given equation. Find the center and radius of the circle. 2x square plus 2y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. The general equation of circle means always you have to start only with x square. There will not be any coefficient of x square, must be 1. So throughout you can divide by 2. Throughout the equation, if you divide by 2, that is 2x square plus 2y square minus 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Divide by 2 to convert the given equation as general form. Divide by 2, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we rearrange the given equation in general form. Then you have to compare this equation with the general form of equation. The general form of equation is what? X square plus y square, this is 1, plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Equation number 2. So now you can compare 1 and 2. 2g is equal to minus 3, g is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2f is equal to 2, f is equal to 1 and c is also 1. Have to find out g, f and c. The formula to find out the center of the circle. Center is minus g minus f. Minus g, minus of minus plus 3 by 2 comma minus f minus 1. This is the center for the given circle. Radius. The formula to find out radius is g square plus f square minus c. The formula to find out the radius of the circle is g square plus f square minus c. When you are substituting the value, square root of g square 3 by 2 the whole square 9 by 4 f square plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. So we are getting square root of 9 by 4 as 3 by 2. This is the radius. So for the given circle, the center is 3 by 2 comma minus 1 and the radius is 3 by 2. Now the next question is, if the equation 3x square plus 3 minus p into xy plus qx square minus 2px minus 8p2 equal to 0 represent the circle, we have to find out the value of p, q, radius and center. 4 different answers we have to find out. So we know the general form of a circle, there will not be any xy term. Only x square, y square and the coefficient of x, coefficient of y. There will not be any xy term. So when you are comparing with general form, xy term must be equal to 0. General equation of circle. In general equation of circle, coefficient of xy term equal to 0. So we will get 3 minus p is equal to 0. Therefore value of p is equal to 3. Then we know the general equation of circle, always the coefficient of x square and y square both are same. Coefficient of x square and y square. Therefore q equal to 3. So p and q we got it. So when you are substituting this p and q in the given equation, we will get 3x square. Here p is equal to 3, so x square will be cancelled, plus 3 y square, 3x square plus 3y square. For 2px also you can substitute the value of p. So p is equal to 3. So minus 6x, then q equal to 3. So 8 into p cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 8s are 72. Minus 72 equal to 0. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x minus 72 equal to 0. Then the same procedure you have to follow. Always the first one, the coefficient must be 1. So divide throughout by 3. Divide by 3. We will get x square plus y square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. So from this we have to identify the center and radius. To find out the center and radius, this equation can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1. I wrote x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 24. Here plus 1 I have added, minus 1 equal to 0. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square equal to 25. This way also you can find out the center and radius. So x square minus 2x plus 1. This is x minus 1 the whole square. Plus y square can be written as y minus 0 the whole square, which is equal to 25 means 5 square, which is in the form x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. From this directly we can identify the center and radius. The center is h comma k. So h comma k represent 1 comma 0 and radius is 5 units. Like this also we can find out the center and radius of the circles. Thank you children.